We're gonna fix a watch where the band keeps falling off. The spring bar is dirty, and where it contacts is also dirty. The two holes right in here, if you dig out the dirt, you're gonna be able to open that hole up where this can seat again. See, as I twist this, you can see all kinds of dirt and debris in there. Clean both sides. See all this debris that's coming out of it. About all the debris with the toothpick. See all this debris in here, and this is what's causing those holes to get clogged up. A little bit of toothpaste to get in there. You want it really clean. Keep cleaning it with little brushes. Final clean with a toothpick, it conforms to the hole. Clean up and oil the pin. Put a little bit of oil on it to make sure that it moves real nice. A little bit of oil, you can see everything moves real nice and smooth. Everything clean, we'll put the spring bar back in, reconnect it to the clean hole. So to get the spring bar in, I made a special tool out of an old hacksaw blade because it's hardened steel. And I just ground it down so it can fit in there a lot easier than the ones you buy. Sometimes getting these spring bars in is easier said than done. You can get it a little easier from the back side. Sometimes the end of the strap gets bent, you just have to kind of work these little tabs back into position. Put this in, there's no obstruction. It goes right into place. With this little tool, we just push and pull it until it hits into both holes. Pull and twist and make sure that it's in there nice and stable. There we go, nice and stable now. The holes were dirty, the pin was dirty, the band was misshapen a little bit. All these contributed to the problem. Good to go.